This Canon PG-245 XL and CL-246 XL ink pack delivers consistently sharp text and rich color output that holds up well for everyday documents and photos. The high-capacity design of both cartridges means noticeably longer intervals between replacements, which is especially helpful for busy home or small office use. Color reproduction is impressively accurate on both plain paper and glossy stock, making family snapshots and school projects look polished and vibrant. The included 50-sheet pack of photo paper is a practical bonus that lets you start printing borderless photos right away without buying extra supplies. Installation in compatible Canon printers is straightforward, with reliable recognition by the printer and minimal clogging or maintenance issues over time. Because these are genuine Canon cartridges engineered for the printheads, they maintain steady performance and reduce the risk of streaks or premature printhead wear.